This is Munye Scripts from Munye Scripts Lifestyle and Gary Films Production. I'm glad that you are basically watching this video. I'm here to inform you that Munye Scripts is a photographer, is an animator, is a videographer, is an actor, is a creative person like you. So if you're out there and you have a wedding, you have any sort of function you would want me to shoot, a music video, any kind relics, so any kind of video that you would want me to shoot, any kind of relic video that you would want me to edit for you, and if at all you are out there and you create content and you would want to start earning from your content, endeavor to say that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also endeavor to say that you check in that description section or at the end of this video and you pick out the numbers that you are basically going to be calling on WhatsApp. The Airtel one is on WhatsApp, that is a +256 701. So that is Airtel, and the other one, that is MTN, is not on WhatsApp. So endeavor to say that at least you contact me on WhatsApp, and at a less price we shall be teaching you on how to benefit from creating your content. So endeavor to say that you create, you educate, you entertain, but as you also earn, because if we produce without like even getting back the cost of production, it means that we won't be able to produce again or even achieve better from our production. So endeavor to say that you work with the right people to guide you, to help you meet your goals, and Munye Scripts is the right person to be at your front. So endeavor to see that you contact me at a lesser price. We shall be bargaining and I help you understand. I give you that music literacy you need. I give you that movie literacy you need to understand how can you earn from you creating your movies, how can you earn from you creating your music, then where should you distribute it, or which people should you give it to. So endeavor to say that you contact me. I'm Munye Scripts, and you go to my description and look for my phone numbers, or at the end of this video. Okay, so if you are a creative and you're out there, you have invested a lot and you don't know how to regain back what you invest, so endeavor to say that you call me. And if you need any kind of videos, right now as I speak, the words are popping up, are scrolling up, so you can get any information that you need to understand. Thank you.